Open to TTAD. State government saga or the last slide on the substantial the fund of the money, amount of the money about TTAD sino disagree with me was last slide. But in actually fact the financial year of 2021 and 22 was a additional government budget like 619 crore, but Tamusu Doratui, Rohordaka Matro, 585 crore. Why 7? I don't know. Amun Bagai, I'm Manuio, Travel Welfare Minister, Chief Minister, Bono Koidani Muchungo, the budget program, addition the budget that like 1,000 above budget like budget logo, Zate, Zini of budget, Sibani model, J. Policy Romdaka, Abba, the timely Joragono, Green and Koitaro. Zini, Zinatamono women, Zini, Abertola Municipality Corporation budget 2,000 crore. 9 Azagago, autonomous district council in money. Azaga is like I said, municipal corporation in budget of okay, overall, practical by the theory is the money about the media. Abu Bagai, all the edisi, they were barren incorporations. How many of you see the Rasha Amsayo? They also have current electric department There were monsoon season. Monsoon season of Strapsa Apivaka, the Prashan, current living, Shapta Hisa, current living. Someone the Prasha Hamsa, ADC area in Koro of West of the Gaon deprived. Why 7? I have no idea. Abu Bagino, so Poinani Musuko. Sini political demand to dangin jaga di Malaysia. Joko jaga kita gitu, luar gitu. In every department we are deprived. So I would like to appeal through our speaker to all the cabinet ministers. Sini Borondorok Naidi, sini